What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And I've got to start this video off by saying Happy New Year! Welcome to 2019. Before we get into recipes for 2019, I think we got to take a moment to just walk down memory lane. And I'm going to share my favorite 5 recipes in under 5 minutes from the year 2018. So let's get started. First, I want to say that my favorite vegan recipe of this year was probably my tunaless tuna salad. And y'all, I was so amazed that I could get that same tuna flavor without having to use actual fish. I was pretty impressed, and that's mostly because of the nori or the seaweed flakes. It was my first time experimenting with that, but boy, does it make a difference on some chickpeas. A lot of my friends enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you did too. So if you want to see more vegan recipes in 2019, please let me know in the description box below. Moving on to number 2, I would have to say that my favorite drink recipe of this year was probably that avocado green smoothie. And I think what I like most about it is that I was a little timid in making it because I think of avocado usually as savory, so why would I want to drink something savory? But I was pretty impressed at how light, refreshing, and just all around popping this recipe was. So if you're somebody who likes green smoothies or you're somebody who wants to like green smoothies, I think this is a nice, simple introduction into a tasty beverage. So if you want to see more drinks, holla at your girl in the comment section below. Number 3, I think my favorite guest star of 2018 was probably my dad. And I think you guys enjoyed seeing him on the channel as well. We made rice and peas together, and what I loved about this video is that it gave me an opportunity to, you know, dig up my Caribbean roots, which I enjoyed. And just rice and peas in general brings back so many family memories. I can't even, that's a whole nother story time for a whole nother episode. So if you want to hear a story time on my sisters and myself making rice and peas in our family restaurant, let me know. All right, number 4. I would say that my favorite non-food video from 2018 was probably my head wrap, queen wrap, turban, headscarf tutorial. And the best part about this was it gave me an opportunity to kind of expand the content that's here on Sista Girl Tuesday. And if you've been watching my channel for a minute, you know I love my head wraps. Like, I love a good head wrap. So if you want to see some more styles to do with scarves in your closet, please let me know and I'll be happy to show. I have been dropping some gems with these bars in this video. But moving on, we're already at number 5, and I would say that my favorite sweet treat from 2018 is probably those strawberry white chocolate chip cookies. Okay, first of all, like the prep time and the bake time is like nothing. It takes no time at all to make these, and it gives you a whole new way to look at cake mix. It makes these decadent, soft baked cookies that they're a hit wherever you take them. Everybody at my job loves them, like literally everybody. So if you want to see some more sweets in the coming year, also let me know. And yeah, we're already done. Those are my 5 favorite recipes, and I'm hoping to make some more favorites for you in 2019. So if there's anything you want to see, don't hesitate to holla at your girl. You know I'm on social media, so see all of my contact information in the description box below. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.